Yeah, here we have a RONG 38-inch radial drill press. We have it powered up. We can show you that it does operate. Alright, so turn that forward. Of course, you can't really tell, but the quill is spinning. 5-speed belt drive. Turn it off. I'm going to put it in reverse. Manual down feed right here. Turn the machine off. Just going to show you here, there's a couple little dings and dents on the motor fan shroud. Doesn't affect the operation. The junction box has some little dings and dents on it. We have a small hairline crack on this cap for the column. The electrical wire goes down inside that column. Doesn't seem to affect the operation. We tighten it down as tight as it will go. Has a few little paint scratches here and there. There's a hand wheel that goes right here. Well, it broke off. We will include the hand wheel if you want to try to repair it. Okay. And we crank the head up and down. That all operates here. And we just that's how you move the unit over this way. So that hand wheel actually adjusts the swing for the unit, the head.